How to play Gangstar Vegas with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a Gangstar Vegas in your device. Make sure that you have created an account and you are logged in using your player ID. While Gangstar Vegas offers a friends feature and the concept of gangs, the game currently does not support direct cooperative or competitive multiplayer. So here is what you need to do. Starting off, create yourself a friend list. You can add your friends through your Facebook. For that, ensure to connect your Facebook account with the Gangstar Vegas account. In order to do so, you can go to your settings, then tap on the account option, then tap on connect and select your Facebook option. However, there is a limitation to leaderboards and possibly in-game chat. For the alternative way is to invite your gang. For this, you'll be needing enough points to create your very own gang. Then you can select the gang option in your profile. Then you'll be able to create your very own code. Using this code, you can refer to your friend. By typing in the code, they'll be able to join your gang, and you guys will be able to play along in your Gangstar Vegas. You can use any of the two methods that I mentioned above. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.